Austin. It's the same guy doing the horn together. So enjoy the ride.
Entering Beachmont, the doors will open on the right side of the train. Beachmont, bus connection. Federal law requires priority seats be available for seniors and/or persons with disabilities.
Your next stop is Revere Beach. Doors open on the right side of the train. Bus connection.
Almost right there. Here's Revere Beach.
Entering Revere Beach, the doors will open on the right side of the train.
All right. Thank you. See you again soon, bro. Here we go.